Okay, so we're gonna double tap this one too. Now this one we just learned the crisis or the ultraviolet crisis, and hopefully I solved you that blue lit system with the Navy SEAL and me running the stone mills and space time guy out here. But that's the prettying this pig up. Who do you got there? Hillshire Farm, prettying up your breakfast, right?
I have good news and bad news. Bad news first. 2 years ago, we reported on the crisis in cosmology.
Clear. Be careful.
Since then, it's only gotten worse. And actually, the good news is also that the crisis in cosmology has actually gotten worse, which means we may be onto something.
Now, I'm not disagreeing with him there, but it's a vacuum out there. People know the black body radiation. It causes a lot of different. Obviously, when you're doing stars,
so it's no wonder that many
blue
cosmologists are
hypergiant,
starting
ultraviolet radiation, X-ray. Let's look at me. Let's look at the Navy SEAL. Let's look at this guy. Obviously, he's emitting that into that iron bar orders, but between light orange or 9.8 meters per second, room temperature outside today is 0.1 phase operators.
Back then we expected the new refined
you need somebody that can handle those problems,
so far that's
okay?
Not the case.
Because this is the build of that rifle.
One of these methods received a massive
this is how you beat that timeline. By causal limits. It doesn't matter how fast those bullets go.
And guess what?
As long as you're within that limit, you'll get to the math of 3 states. And every one of them. You get infinity hot, infinity cold, with some Berkeley equation, with multiple states of...
So, you may have heard that the universe is
I don't remember what it was called. It's probably multivariable calculus or single variable calculus. But essentially, this is the field. Where we're saying the distance over here, give it a location, make it 9.8 meters per second, because otherwise it's just going to be 2 pi. This frame is a ball, or electron, E to E1, right? Or E1 to E2.
At least along the path to that galaxy.
1 second to the next. This is to be a fair value of still being 0 to 1 on a Hubble. These guys are good, and they know their numbers by looking down the optics. But that's optics for you. So I just wanted to put this in here, and why I say Hubble 45.
It depends on a long chain of distance measurements.
Got to do those Einstein lensing crosses inside here, where obviously it's going to bend around it. It's what we know. But if you miss this step, when you get out there to the top end, let's do the review.
If one of those distance measures is wrong,
catch you on the next one.
All subsequent rungs of